Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so today we're gonna see kind of like an update video, just how well either AI works. And what I'm talking about is Google Assistant versus Siri. So I have the voice commands turned off, so I'm just gonna manually activate them. And so we're gonna start off with Google Assistant, and then we'll ask the same questions to Siri. So let's start with the first one. What is 13 times 150 divided by 4?
The answer is 487.5.
All right, let's ask the same thing to Siri. What is 13 times 150 divided by 4?
It's 487.5.
What is the capital of Laos?
Vientiane is the capital of Laos.
What is the capital of Laos?
Vientiane is the capital of Laos.
Tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the two antennas that got married? The ceremony was okay, but the reception was great.
Tell me a joke.
Coming are British the. Coming are British the. You know who said that? Paul Rivers.
What time is it in Bangladesh?
The time in Bangladesh is 12:24 a.m. on Wednesday.
What time is it in Bangladesh?
In Dhaka, Bangladesh, it's 12:24 a.m.
Calculate the distance to the sun from the earth.
Here are some details.
Calculate the distance to the sun from the earth.
The distance from Earth to the Sun at 11:25 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday, January 28, 2020, is about 0.985 astronomical units.
Give me some info about Planet X.
According to Wikipedia, following the discovery of the planet Neptune in 1846, there was considerable speculation that another planet might exist beyond its orbit.
Give me some info about Planet X.
Here's what I found.
How heavy does the Earth weigh?
Earth has a mass of 5.972 times 10 to the 24 kilograms.
How heavy does the Earth weigh?
The answer I found is 13,166,822,008, 50,972,000,000,000 pounds.
Who was the voice of Bart Simpson?
Nancy Cartwright voiced the character Bart Simpson.
Who was the voice of Bart Simpson?
The answer I found is Nancy Cartwright and Natalie Bineme.
Send a text message.
Who do you want to text?
Angelica Lastra.
Sure, mobile or Google Fi?
Google Fi.
Sure, you want to text Angelica Lastra, what's the message?
Have a great day at work. I love you.
So, that's a message to Angelica Lastra saying, have a great day at work, I love you. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send. Send it.
Sending your message to Angelica Lastra.
There it goes. Send a text message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Angelica Lastra.
What do you want to say?
I love you. Have a great day at work. This is just a test.
Here's your message. Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Is Siri better than Google Assistant?
According to Mashable, Google Assistant's abilities dominate Siri and Alexa, research shows. Google is the best and most accurate smartphone assistant, according to new research.
Is Siri better than Google Assistant?
Speaking for myself, I'm partial to all things Apple.
How do you feel about Siri?
Full respect. Being an assistant is hard work.
Pretty positive. How do you feel about Google Assistant?
I offer no resistance to helpful assistance.
there you have it, guys. So just, quick comparison between Google Assistant and Siri. Now, while there are some things that Siri is incapable of comprehending as far as like human emotion, speech, and things like that, still, nonetheless, just asking basic things, they're pretty much on par. Some things I got a research result, and the other provided me an actual answer back, and it was vice versa on that. They have a bit of humor, but yeah. So, anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Which one of these felt more human to you, as far as like response-wise, and how they reacted towards my questioning? You guys let me know in the comment section of the video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, drop a like to let me know. Hit that subscribe button so that way you do not miss any videos that I upload. The bell option to be notified when I upload those videos. But until next time, guys, that is it for today's video. And as always, aloha.